Hey guys, it's your girl Tiffany, and I'm back, bitches. I'm back, and I mean it this time. I know last time I was around, it's been 9 months since I filmed a video. 9 months. Like, I didn't pay all this money for this equipment, this expensive ass camera, a MacBook, all this stuff that I was planning on using. But life has been hectic and hell over the last 9 months, and finally I have enough time to find me and just be creative again and enjoy what I'm doing. So yeah, this is going to be a new journey for me again. I'm going to start filming a lot more frequently. I'm going to start doing a lot of random videos. I'm going to do some Tiff Talks. Let's be real, we're grown. I'm 33 years old. I'm a grown-ass woman. We're going to talk about life. We're going to talk about friendship. We're going to talk about sex, because why not? Most of us do it. And if you're not, your nosy ass wants to know what everybody else is doing. So we're going to talk about everything. We're going to talk about relationships. I'm also going to do a couple tutorials, I guess. People keep asking me for my curly hair routine. It's mad simple, but I will do it. I'm going to do product reviews because I love gadgets. Like, there's something about me that just loves electronics and always has. I'm going to do I'm going to do some cooking videos because we moved and now I have a new kitchen. I also have a bunch of new really good friends that 9 months ago I didn't really have. So I have stuff to film and places to go, even though we're in a whole panoramic. I'm just kidding. Pandemic. I watch too much TikTok. That's another thing that happened. I'm obsessed with TikTok, and now I film TikToks too. But yeah, we're gonna, or I'm gonna. I don't know who we're. I guess we're. Yeah. ADHD kids. ADHD. It's real. But yeah, I just want to make this quick video and say that I'm for real this time. I'm back. So if you're ready to enjoy this crazy, hectic, spatterbrain, whatever you call it, journey with me, and then subscribe and check out my videos and give me some suggestions. Like my fan page on Facebook. That's where you can probably get a hold of me easier, or my Instagram, and just enjoy. Also, did anyone notice I got a new layout? I made it. But yeah, I changed up the layout on my page. I changed up all my old thumbnails. I got a new intro and an outro, and that's what made me want to film again, because now I have something that to me looks all together, and my life is slowly coming all together. So it's making me just want to do this. So we're gonna try. We're at least gonna try. I'm gonna give it an honest try, and that's all I can really do. But yeah, that's it, guys. Bye.